Hi everyone, this is Vicky here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make up to $2,000 per day with high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so guys, now we are on my computer dashboard. So making up to $2,000 per day with high ticket affiliate marketing, the first thing that you need is high ticket product. Okay, and then you need a working funnel system. Okay, and then you need to send traffic to your affiliate link to your funnel system. So guys, the high ticket product that we're gonna use in this video is called EG1UP, and basically guys, EG1UP is a online education franchise. Okay, it's a digital franchise, and I have been working with them for a good time, and I have made over $100,000, $125,000 in 3 month period. So basically guys, they don't like to show the earning. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just blur this earning here. So anyway guys, in this video we're gonna use this EG1UP as a high ticket product. Okay, and for the funnel system, we're going to use this funnel which is called multiple income funnel. Okay, and then we will be sending traffic to the affiliate link to the funnel. So guys, the first step that you need to do is you need to create account on EG1UP, and then you need to upgrade. So I have put the link of EG1UP in the description box, and once you will click that link, you're gonna land here on this page. So here you will enter your name, email, and then you will choose a username, a password, and then you will click start now. Once you will click start now, you're gonna land on the dashboard of EG1UP. Okay, and here as you can see there are different labels: Elevation, Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, and Vertex Live. So guys, you have to pick any one label from these 6. Okay, I personally went with $2,000 label. So basically what happens is, let's say you join at $100 label. Okay, and you get a $2,000 sale. So in that case, you will not get credit for that $2,000 sale. That $2,000 sale will pass to your sponsor because you are at lower label. If you are at $100 label, you will only make $100 sale and $25 sale. So either the label that you are working on or the label which is less than you. So if you want to make $1,000 per sale or $2,000 per sale, you can join at 1K label or 2K label. Okay, so anyway guys, now you have created your account on EG1UP and you have upgraded any label. Now what you need to do is you going to connect your funnel with the EG1UP. So the step 2 is creating account on the funnel. So let me show you how to create account on the funnel. So as you can see, this is the multiple income funnel sign up page. So you will click here, and then you will enter your name, email, and you will watch the video, and then you will be able to create account on this funnel. Okay, and once you have created the funnel, you will land the dashboard, the multiple income funnel here. So as you can see, it's called step 1, watch this video. So you have to watch this video, and then you're gonna join the private Facebook group. Okay, and then you're gonna click step 2, which is set up income stream. So guys, as you can see, income stream 1 is the multiple income funnel. Okay, and the income stream number 2 is EG1UP, the high ticket product that you are promoting, right? So guys, as you can see here, it says completed. Basically what you need to do is you need to go to your EG1UP. Okay, and here you need to copy your username. Okay, let's copy here, and then you need to go over the multiple income funnel, and you will see an blank box here, and you will paste your username in this box, and you will click save. Once you will click save, this step will be completed. Okay, and it means now you have connected your funnel with the EG1UP. Now what you need to do is you need to send traffic to your funnel affiliate link. So guys, let's go to the funnel here, and as you can see, it's called link here. So you're gonna click here. Okay, and you can see your affiliate link. So these are the affiliate links that you're going to send traffic to. Okay, so let's copy this affiliate link, the very first. So you're gonna copy this affiliate link, the very first, okay, and you will be sending traffic to this affiliate link so that you can make sales and you can make commission. So to send the traffic, guys, what I'm going to do is I use different kind of traffics. Okay, I use solo ads. Okay, I use Facebook organic traffic, I use paid ads, and I use YouTube traffic. So if I talk about the solo ads, if you go to the multiple income funnel here, if you click on step 2, here the income stream number 4 is traffic authority. So if I go over traffic authority is a solo buying website. Okay, it's a place where you can order traffic to your affiliate link. So either you can buy the basic package, okay, they will send you about 170 clicks to 190 clicks, or you can buy the bronze package where they will be sending about 380 clicks. Okay, or guys, you can also use Udemy to buy solo ads. Okay, so either you can use traffic authority or you can use solo ad from Udemy to send the traffic to your affiliate funnel, affiliate link. Okay, now guys, with the solo ads, I also use these 3 methods. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give these 3 methods as a bonus to you. Okay, if I go to the bonus page, so when you upgrade at $1,000 labels inside Easy One Up here, when you join at Vertex Pro, what I do is I provide 500 clicks to your affiliate link. Okay, I order 500 clicks from either Traffic Authority or Udemy. Okay, and these 500 clicks go to your affiliate link. Okay, it go to your affiliate link so you can make sales and you can make commissions. Okay, now when you upgrade at 2k level, this is what I personally recommend, because this is what I am at this level. So when you upgrade at $2,000 level, when you join at 2k level, I'll be sending 1000 clicks to your affiliate link. Okay, other than that, I have a Facebook organic traffic strategy that I use for my high ticket product, so you're gonna get access to that strategy. Okay, and I have paid Facebook ad method, value $9.97, so you're going to get that Facebook paid ad method which I use for my high ticket product. Okay, other than that, guys, I also use YouTube traffic, so you're gonna get access to that method as well. Okay, so guys, if you want to make big commission, if you want to make big sale with high ticket product, high ticket affiliate marketing, I have put all the steps in the description of this video. So go ahead, complete these 3 steps, and once you will complete these 3 steps, you will get all the bonuses that I have talked about in this video, and then you will be able to make big commission, $1,000, $2,000, like me and like a lot of people that have been using this system. So go ahead, create your account, and see you inside.